Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make simple party snacks or evening snacks. I'm sure everyone will enjoy it. You will only need 2 ingredients, butter cookies and Hershey's milk chocolate drops. This is a very simple recipe. All you need to do is place the cookies onto the plate and then place a Hershey's drop onto each cookie. Next, microwave it for 20 seconds. So let's take it out of the microwave. I'm just going to press the Hershey's drops onto the cookie. Now your yummy snack is ready. Enjoy! Thanks for watching!